People, welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, you would have probably heard about the big dance wagwan doing a Montego Bay. Now you're wondering, oh, no man Sir P, that gone already. You talk about Sumfest. No, I'm not talking about Sumfest. I'm talking about Snitchfest, the biggest event of the year. And it's currently taking place right down there in St. James. Some of the baddest man them in the country. Some of the man them have the most gun, the most rifle, most handgun, kill the most people, are now locked up because of the SOE. And it look like say the man them can't manage the pressure. Because all of a sudden, all kind of rifle, all kind of Uzi suddenly start to get found. Now as you can see, there have been reports that one of the most wanted man in St. James, a brother by the name of Plank, you might have remembered him. I did a video before of him and the DJ sitting, he was sitting on a wall, or the DJ was sitting on a wall, and he was right beside the DJ. Right, I did that video. Well, guess what? That brother is now arrested. Now, of course, St. James people are scratching their head. The timing looks suspicious. The timing looks suspicious. So nobody asks me, Sir P, what going on? If he'll say pipe boss, if he say leaking go on, or as soon as I hold on upon one man, the next man get catch. People, I cannot confirm or deny anything. But just like Uno, may I say, things look suspicious. But let us move to our resident in-house criminal. Because as some of you know, Simple Simon is currently locked up in the same jail as the same police station as enough of them will be a man them. Because Simple Simon they go take up a life of crime. And now I'm going to play an exclusive. And this exclusive is the testimony that Simple Simon provided while he was in custody. People, you want to listen to this one? Check it out.
My turn it, officer. Officer, when am my turn? Come on, go in the room, go talking, officer. Because right now, the Sparta man them and the GCT man them in the too long, in officer. My time, talk no, officer. Oh, my time? Alright. Yes. What's my name? Simon. Simple Simon. Where me come from, all about. But they're everywhere and nowhere at the same time. Officer, I could just cut rope a chit-chat and get to the important part, officer. Because right now, what you need to do is hurry up and give me my like 6 months so I can come back on road. Because me saw 6 months to murder. Right, that Simple Simon tell me. So give me 6 months and make me come back. Hold on. What do you mean 30 years? 30 years? 30 years of murder? That my face? Hold on. When I say 30 years, what do you mean? They mean dog years or people years? Because if a dog years you talk, I don't know nothing. But if a 30 people years you talk, well, I have a buckle of onion lime in my bag. Tell me from now, I start drink it because my throat need to clear. Because I need to talk. I'm a talk officer. You remember my brother named Plank? You remember Plank? Christopher boy? Me know when they know. Me know when they man. Yeah man, he must stay around one guest house. Yeah man, me know the guest house man. I'm me alone no spot him there still. But make you know so me tell you still an officer. I know say man a bad man officer. I have to keep up my image officer. I have to keep up my image because I'm a bad man. I can't make people in the black know say me a leak like on character. Me I say officer, so nobody know so me but me know when the man you know one guest house. But you think officer. When you go around then you go buck up in one kerosene aisle. You see kerosene aisle I'm around the officer. She's skilling officer. She a professional officer. Just knows that from the moment she see you, she go start ball and take evasive action. And the evasive action she go take, trust me, if you not plan for doing nothing, you can't do nothing. Cause that kerosene aisle, that is she have a master's degree officer in a kerosene aisleism. Yeah man, so I just make you know still cause she no normal. So when you go around there and you hold on upon him, expect for your him a ball and expect for your she a ball. Expect for your him a weep, expect for your she a weep. So I just make you know for an officer, you have to go carry me. You have to go carry that you would plank in bally, you know. But I know him had the real problem at the kerosene I don't know go back up on. So any little plans you know, I have to go with him up. Cancel it right now, I tell you right now, it not gonna work. And what you mean statement? Statement done officer, me have more. Officer, what you mean statement done? Say you know I'm a Uzi. You know I'm giving one Uzi. Matter of fact, me give him Uzi man 16. Yeah man, 2 of them man I want the officer. 2 of them officer I want the officer. Me give 2 of them. Yeah man. Me I give Uzi. Me I give 16. And me I give plank. How we ask the officer? Me want go road by tomorrow morning. By tomorrow morning man I want the officer. But remember enough you can't make nobody know so I meet you know. You can't make nobody know officer come on apartment. Officer, how we like a flank as an officer? And you don't every day you get up and say, yo, people who thought the police is dead. You know, so we can't really be known as no snitch. You see me, officer, because although you don't know, officer, me know say bad man are the biggest snitch long time still, but people don't know that. Jamaican people don't know that. Jamaican people think say bad man, hardcore, and one time in Japan jail and tough it out. No, Jamaican people don't know no better. They think say we tough. They know say we soft, officer. They know say we soft. They know say little pressure reach you, officer, we start ball and beg it out. But you don't know, it's all about the image. Yeah man, I make where I walk off all like girl in the village. Yeah man, officer. Alright, so officer, when we can come on road? When we can, we say I'm gonna link back to alright officer. When I done, link me have some more name, officer. Me have some more name, more see. Wanna give me still. Depend on how you give me. Me I go the rest of name them, but me I go and work still. Yeah man, my dear man, just link me in time when ready, officer. Alright, big up.
Boy, Simon, it rough on you, boy. Look how you they are good, right? Me they are work, right? And just to me tell you, say, you have to go work one extra day. You get vexed and talk about bad man no work on weekends, seen and left, and link it mobile man, and commit crime. And look where you end up. People, we don't find it strange. We don't find it strange, so as soon as a certain set of man get locked up, all of a sudden, rifle are fine left, right and center. All of a sudden, wanted man are fine left, right and center. As soon as the big raid go on, how much Sparta man get pick up, how much G-City man get pick up, how much Duntub man get pick up. Suddenly, machine we couldn't find too much years suddenly start fine. We don't find it strange, so look how long the SOE in place and them a find one gun every 3 months. Suddenly, for a certain man get locked up, all of a sudden, we are find 2 every other day, 3 every other day. It looks spooky. Flankers people them attack. Salt Spring people them attack. Or Mr. people me not attack. Criminals me attack residents. Residents are link me. Man a link me from over Dunstug side. Man a link me from over Rebel side. Right? Man a link me from Norwood. Everybody has said the same thing. Something not right, SSRP. Something not right. It look like the pipe bust. Pipe bust to the point where right now there's a flash flood warning in place. People, if you live anywhere in the St. James area, be careful. Flash flood in place. Right? Only make sure so out of the gold them be clean out, because some don't know so when certain water start flood, if the gold them clean out and the water now know if you go, it go back pile up and you don't know so yard get washed out and we don't want to see nobody drown. Maybe people stock up on the snorkel. Maybe people stock up on the goggles. If you know have one of them big oxygen tank the way divers them use, stock up on that too. Water I run about the place pipe bus. Maybe a man them want go on. I don't understand. Where is the leak? No, don't get me wrong. I have to commend you. For your excellent work in helping to get some of these weapons off the streets. But I can't help but laugh. You know why I can't help but laugh? Because the same set of man them, who me always talk about, we shot the most people, say them are informer, say them are give police information. The man then can't hold 1-2 months of jail. Me say man down there fake all in dead. Man who not vomit, I get diarrhea, who not say asthma take them, right? Man all say him have leprosy. Man gone back to biblical times. You must officer let me out please come have leprosy. Mobile man them. I know me can't believe it. You mean Rifle City? Mobile. The place where have the most rifle in Jamaica. The most shot in Jamaica. The place where man tell us say he may shoot all him dog if him dog look on him too tough. Them man there. The man in down there ball now. Me can't believe it. People when me telling them say mobile man them a compete. Who can be the biggest informer? Who might think a joke thing. Man actually down there I tell police, say listen officer, what him tell you, a joke thing compared to what me know. He might just look a small fry. Him don't know the real officer. Me have the real information officer. And that it come to. When me did tell you months ago, say on your favorite Dan, on your favorite entertainer, on your favorite 87, on your favorite 90, are the biggest informers them in the place. The found they jump up and make up things to get views as usual. See it here. Yeah man, this is all a coincidence still. That I could work with that theory there. This is all one big coincidence. You know what? The police them just get lucky. This is how we're going to summarize. The JCF in the last month or so just happened to get lucky. Be a wanted man I get catch. Be a rifle I get fined. Them all start finding out which party them come from. But listen, let me talk to the JCF. Don't stop yourself. Don't just stop at locking up, man. The information them only really want to know. Forget about the little 1 Uzi and the 1 6-pence them wanna find. Find out the route them where the man them take to carry the thing them in the country. Find out not just the route, find out the man them who are the shipping link them, and find out the man them in Jamaica who are facilitating it. Them little idiot yeah, them little LIQ yeah, from Spartan and Don Stokes and 5150 and all them. Them little man you can't pull out them operation yeah. Them have some big links in Jamaica. So you see when you get information from them, don't just ask them to give up some little 87s. Tell them to give up them politician friend too. Tell them to give up them 116 friend too. And when you get that information, we need to act on it. And then we are going to know if we're really serious about fighting crime. But nevertheless, big up the JCF, who are work down there in St. James. Right? Big up the JDF, big up the security forces down there. You guys have been on a roll. You've been on a roll, and I have to commend you. I have to commend you and your friend them who are do the leaking. Right? But when you keep up on the foolishness, I call you out. So when you do good things, you have to big them up too. Right? And the next thing, I big up the JCF for the operation where they want to hold on upon the policeman who will roll the criminal them and soon run ballistics and say, yeah, him linked. Listen, well done. Well done. People say, sir, PC, this reflect badly upon the force. Yes, it reflect badly when they catch a police mix up in them thing there, yes. But it also reflects well when other police help investigate and help sink him. So, big up the JCF on that one. Right? Wanna keep getting himself mixed up in some little cartoon thing, right? Because me say 15-year-old pose as police and kind of foolishness. Them little story in help on, right? But for what I want to big up on yourself. Patreon squad, big up, you don't know, PIA, more life. People, stay safe.